In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Airdna promo code in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Airdna promo code. Right here, select the website where it says couponboards.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use. And for example, if I want to get this 20% of discount right here, all I have to do is select get coupon code, and this is my discount code that I can use in order to get my discount. Another website that I recommend you to use is this one, which is called retrieve.com. And right here, as you can see, we have other promo codes. For example, if you want this one with first month free for pro subscription, all you have to do is select this option where it says copy code. And this is your promo code that you can use in order to get that 3 month subscription. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.